Hey, good morning everyone. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's what day is it today? Tuesday or Wednesday? Anyways, I'm gonna go grab some breakfast. I'm craving a breakfast treat. Actually, before I talk about the treat, let's take a look at this view. I'm on my balcony here in my condo, and you can see it's a bit of an overcast day. Looks like it's gonna rain maybe. But it's nice. It's very cool today, low humidity. So far a good start. Anyways, back to breakfast. I'm gonna go grab some Chinese donuts, Thai style. And they're a popular treat on the street. So let's go grab some. Looks like everybody's waking up. Oops, sorry. Well, all the tourists are coming in. Okay, we're in luck. I see the vendor with the Chinese donuts. Yeah, here we go. It's okay. And this is condensed milk. This one I'm not sure what it is. And then they add a little bit of sesame seed. Let's check it out. Let's see how they make these little guys here. Pretty interesting, right? It's kind of cool. Look at these things turning golden brown. I believe they use palm oil. They use pretty much palm oil for all cooking around here, so I figure that's what this is. And they got their little stove. But since they're so nice for letting me film, I'm gonna get 2 orders and the condensed milk dip here. You sit by. You're welcome. Yeah. Some tip? Alright. Thank you. Double drive. Alright, looks good. Mission accomplished. Time to get a coffee and start my day just like everybody else. And in case you're curious what Thai people would normally eat for breakfast, because they don't eat stuff like this usually. This is kind of like a foreign thing. They actually eat their own Thai food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner most of the time. So things like this here. Actually, might as well throw in one last thing. So I need the coffee. Let me show you how this works. There's this towel bin. And at first I thought this was like a ridiculous idea, but it's actually really good. So towel bin, they have hot coffee, iced coffee, and then you have like your iced drinks. But I'm gonna order my latte this way. So change it to English, coffee, latte, hot. And I'll just do a little less sugar. I want a lid. And it's only 35 bucks. So cheap. And then here you always have a ton of ways to pay. So cash, prompt pay, whatever. But I'm gonna do cash. If I can get it in. No coffee for you today. Wow, we did it. Change. And then you can get a credit or keep it. Add your phone number for loyalty. Here's my lid. Grab my change. A lot of change for that 100-baht bill. And then they'll be ready in 80 seconds. So we'll fast forward to that. Okay, ready to go. Anyways, that's it for today. Till next time. Bye-bye.